Hey guys, today we're going to do a elevator or slash lift tour at Formal. This lift tour is especially for Life 1329. And let's start with this food court elevator with either possibly an Ecodisc or Moscone Ecodisc. They use really nice words. Repeat, can control your fan. And these are nice ceilings and nice commercials right there. Next you pay, boys. Zero. Persons 1,000 kilograms. And that is it for this lift. Alright guys, we're going to ride another lift. I forgot what this store is called at JD. These are Kona. Yes. These are nice Kona. These are Kona. 1B. 15 persons, 1,000 kilograms, installed 2022. And that's a nice cab. One. The indicator didn't shine. Watch the indicator. Let's call it. And that is it for this elevator. Alright guys, here we are on our next lift. I think these are probably Monospace or Ecodisc at H&M in this mall. Wow, I love this indicator. One. And that's a very basic cab. And there's your store sign right there. 15 persons, 1,250 kilograms. Nice indicator. That is really fast. And that is it for this lift. Okay guys, we're gonna ride these lifts next.
Floor 0.
These are the main elevators in this place. Mine's 2.
Going down.
Let me scan my access card. Doesn't work. Mine's 1. Mine's 2 is probably step 4.
Going up.
That's a nice indicator. And here's a basic cab. Persons, 1,100 kilograms, 0.
Going down.
Let's watch this indicator. These are my favorite lifts of this game.
Floor 0.
And that is it for these lifts. Alright guys, we're next gonna ride this Otis Gen 2 lift at TK Maxx. It's Otis Gen 2. My favorite band.
Ground floor.
I love that chime.
Going up.
Two,
Doors closing.
and that's. I love that cab. It's a nice model right there. 1,000 kilograms of 13%, 0.
Second floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Whoa, the nice edge ceilings.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
And that is it for this lift. Alright, here's the next lift we're gonna ride. I think it's KW.
This is level 0. The doors is opening. Going up.
1.
The doors is closing.
The run's already pressed. For some reason. That's weird.
This is level 1.
9%,
The
680
doors is
kilograms.
opening.
0.
Going down. The doors is closing.
And that's my ceiling.
This is level 0. The doors is opening.
And that is it for this lift. Alright guys, now we're in the parking garage elevator lift. So we can get this one. Here it is. Nice cab. P4. Takona EcoDisc. 15%, 1,250 kilograms. And that's a big cab. We'll end it at 0. There we go. Watch the indicator. And that is it for these parking garage lifts. Alright guys, we're going to ride this lift. These buttons are rare. They're not shiny. And that logo got the Kona EcoDisc. And LG. Sakane with weird chime and nice ceiling. Ground. So the doors just opened. Watch them close. Here's the indicator. 15%, 1,150 kilograms. And that is it for this lift. Alright guys, we're going to ride the Schindler Flight lift next in our lift tour.
Floor 0.
Schindler.
Door opening. Lift is going
Nice
down.
one.
Door closing.
And that's the nice lift. It doesn't tell you the capacity.
Floor
Tell you the
minus
capacity.
1.
There it is. 1,500 kilograms,
Door
13%. 1.
Door closing.
was understanding to my spot there. I hit -1 by accident, and it looked like I pressed 0.
Floor 0. Door opening.
Here we go, and that is it for this
Lift
lift.
is going.
Oh my gosh, for the last part of this, we're gonna ride the service lift. Car noise. And let's go to mines 2. Slot 5. That's a nice cab wheel. Puts in 1,150 kilograms. And we'll end it at street level.
Yeah, there we go. Very strong.
And that is it for this lift, and thank you guys for watching my lift tour.